Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stock group in Tally. Only way. Open Tally, go to Inventory Info, and choose Stock Group. Use a clear parent group, enter a unique name, and set opening balance if needed. Save and repeat for subgroups to keep inventory organized. This exact workflow ensures accuracy and fast reporting within Tally's inventory module. Follow steps in order to avoid duplicate groups and reconcile quantities easily. Start by defining parent categories that match your product lines, then create specific stock groups under them for easy tracking. Assign relevant units, valuation method, and opening balances to each group to keep records accurate. Use naming conventions that support quick searches and reporting, and avoid symbols that might break exports. Regularly review groups to merge duplicates and improve inventory clarity across Tally's reports and vouchers. This saves time during audits and stock checks. When importing items, map each item to the correct stock group to prevent mismatches and data cleanup later. Use batch or godown level grouping only if you need location or batch control, otherwise keep a single logical group per product. Backup company data before bulk changes, and validate with stock reports after edits to ensure balances and valuation stay consistent and errors are caught early. Document any group changes in your workflow notes for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.